Ayuthi ni moritio metheme na uhuthiri moru wa dawa cia kurebia o hamwe na unyui wa njohi ngananie cia ibango na njira ya kurutithia taranda ciao wira. Ndagitari Cornelius Ombagi, murugamiriri wa ayuthi, augite ayuthi ingi kuma gitaro kia Mount Kenya ni morire unyui-ini wa njohi na uhuthiri moru wa dawa cia kurebia, na gukiri uguo ni ikiti ihoya kuri ayuthi aya na akamoria metikire kurutithia taranda ciao wira.
Government today has actually come up with the Taranda initiative as the national ecosystem which mobilizes all youth talents in different aspects to ensure that these talents and their talents are monetized. Now, youth are faced with many issues, and at the community level, we have designed programs to ensure that they come on board, they are taken on board to avoid such a kind of vices like alcohol, and drug taking and so forth. And the government has established so far offices countrywide in the sub-county level, constituency level, regional level, where we have officers dedicated for this program.
Nitukenete ni undu wa kuona ati kuri andu mena bata wa bururi riria maguthondeka program cia guteithia andu aya nini. Wa mbere kumahe hope na kumonia kwina rucio, o toria ngugite ati thika ina rucio ni undu wa muthi. Riria tukuona andu aya nini magiukana makarutwo maundu maingi, tukona magika maundu ma model makeina talent icio ciothe cie mucii itingiteithia.
Niongereire na akauga thirikari ni iri na mubango wa kunyitirira ayuthi aya niguo mahote gukuria taranda ciao na ituike cia kumaguna miturire-ini yao. Ayuthi aya matongoretio ni Ian Mbaya ni maikiti ihoya kuri thirikari ikorwo ikimakira thieta undu umwe na iharo cia mubira niguo mahote gukuria taranda ciao.
Kwa hivyo kwa hii industry yetu changamoto ni kwamba kuna vitu vingi tumesaulika. Serikali atupatie funds ya kujiendeleza kama sisi. Kama saizi tuko na hall, lakini sasa tuna hizo equipment za kutumia kama hizo vioo, na kuna kama system na vitu vingine kubwa kama tunataka serikali na county government yote kabisa tupate support ya kupata hizo funds. Tukipata funds na wakitu create hizi platform itakuwa furaha kwetu.
Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma Thika, guku ni kaunti ya Kiambu. Njitagwo Kate